Hi everyone, it's Ted at the Holmes team with William Ravis Real Estate. Welcome to 24 Marcourt Drive in Chappaqua, New York. This stunning 4-bedroom stone and shingle colonial is in the neighborhood of Dodge Farms and is located just minutes away from the village and train, and is situated on 1 acre of private property with an incredible in-ground saltwater pool. Let's go take a closer look inside. What I love about this home is the traditional floor plan on the main level. It includes a renovated eat-in kitchen with direct access to a large stone patio, a formal dining room, and spacious living room with high ceiling and fireplace, and a door that leads out to a gravel fire pit area. The first floor also offers flexible space with a home office, bedroom or family room, along with a full bathroom. Heading upstairs, the primary bedroom has an ensuite bathroom. There are also 3 additional bedrooms, access to a walk-up attic, and another full bathroom. This home offers enhanced updates including central air conditioning, a new roof, a new septic system, and fully upgraded saltwater pool system and heater. Thank you for touring 24 Marcourt Drive with us today. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a private showing, please give us a call.